Hey there! So let's talk about a common problem that many people might encounter when dealing with file downloads and comparing file hashes. Imagine this scenario. You've downloaded all your Google Drive content to your local drive using pydrive2 and Python. After comparing the files, you notice that some of them have different md5 hashes than expected, even though none of the files on your local drive were touched. What could be causing this discrepancy? Let's dive into it. In the solution provided, there are a few possibilities to consider. Firstly, Windows might be adding alternative data streams, ADS, to the files during the download process, which contains hidden metadata. Another point to consider is the role of antivirus software, which could potentially modify the files during scanning. Lastly, file corruption could be a less likely but still possible cause of the issue. By understanding these factors, you can get a better grasp of why the MD5 hashes are different between the files on your local drive and Google Drive. Now, let's summarize our findings. The difference in MD5 hashes between your local files and Google Drive copies may be due to alternative data streams, antivirus software, or file corruption. To get to the bottom of this, you could explore the presence of metadata in the files, consider the impact of antivirus scanning, and check for any signs of file corruption. By being aware of these factors, you can troubleshoot the issue and ensure the integrity of your downloaded files. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts.